Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Super 100 Basic One-Liner, GK, General Knowledge All Exam Useful, 06 Super 100. Law and Justice GK, very most important question and answer. Q56. In order to become a judge of the Supreme Court, a person must have been a judge of the High Court for at least how many years? Ans. At least 5 years. Q57. Under which two categories does the President have the right to seek the opinion of the Supreme Court under Article 143? Ans. When a legal question arises on any issue of public importance and disputes arise on matters like any previous constitutional treaty agreement etc. Q58. In which case the Supreme Court held that consultation does not mean consent but exchange of views? Ans. First Judge Case, 1982. Q59. Which Constitutional Amendment Act provides for the interpretation of the creation of the All India Legal Service? Ans. 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Q60. It is part of the draft of whose oath I will perform the duties of my office with due diligence and devotion and to the fullest ability, knowledge and discretion, without fear or favor, affection or malice. Ans. Central Vigilance Commissioner. Q61. Under which article ad hoc judges are appointed? Ans. Article 127. Q62. In which year was the Lokpal Bill introduced in the Parliament for the first time? Ans. In the year 1968. Q63. Who was the chairman of the commission formed in the year 2000 to review the working of the Constitution? Ans. Mr. M.N. Venkatachalya. Q64. In which state the first Lokayukta was constituted in 1971? Ans. In Maharashtra. Q65. Under which article has the provision to separate the judiciary from the executive in the public services of the state? Ans. Article 50. Thank you so much for watching. Shining off.